Good day, students. Welcome back. Today's session is logic gates. We have been discussing logic gates from the last session. So let's get let's get started and let's discuss the logic gate part two. And as you all know, logic gate is the third chapter. Third chapter of logic gate and logic gates. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ we discussed the basic gates. Basic gates ಅಲ್ಲಿ we studied about the AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And today we will be learning the derived gates. As as informed earlier, along with the logic gates, we have basic gates. Logic gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ basic gates ಅಂದ್ರೆ basic boolean operations ಮಾಡೋದು and or not. Along with that, we have few more derived gates that we will be discussing in today's session. So today's session is part number 2, chapter number 3, logic gates. Let's quickly have the objectives of this chapter. So objectives, learning different types of gates. We have been learning different types of gates in our previous session. So we started with the AND OR gate, and if today's class we will be learning the derived gates, that is NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR. If time permits, we will be discussing designing of the logical circuits as well. Hopefully we shall start designing of logical circuits, otherwise it will be discussed in the next session. So as let me just recall what we studied in our previous session. Gate, as you all know, gate is an electronic circuit. It will have one or more inputs and produces only one output. Gates broadly they are classified as basic gates and derived gates. So basic gate ಮತ್ತೆ derived gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ classify ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So last class we discussed basic gates, that is AND or NOT, and today we will be learning the continued part of the gates. Basic gates. There are three basic gates: AND or NOT. So that we discussed. AND gate ಗೆ inverter ಅಂತಾನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. There is one input and one output. OR gate, there can be two or more inputs and one output. The output of OR gate is 1 when any one of the input is 1. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು input 1 ಇದ್ರೆ output 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, we have AND gate. The output of AND gate is 1 when all the inputs are 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. Then we have NOT gate. Input in the opposite. Input 0 idre output 1. Input 1 idre output is 0. Then we have four derived gates: NOR, NAND, XOR and XNOR, that we will be studying in detail in today's class. First, let us take up NOR gate. Derived gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ first gate NOR gate. NOR gate ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ familiar ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, because NOR gate is nothing but not of OR gate. So not of OR gate ಅಂದ್ರೆ OR gate ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ sometimes NOR gate is also called as complemented OR gate. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆರ್ ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ 2 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 0 1 1 1 is the output of OR gate. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be 1 0 0 0. That is called NOR gate. NOR gate can also have like OR gate. OR gate ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ NOR gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ OR gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 or more inputs ಇರ್ಬೋದು, likewise there can also be 2 or more inputs in NOR gate and only one output. There will be always only one output irutte. NOR gate, it is not a FOR gate. This gate can have, as I told you earlier, two or more inputs and there is only one output signal. So what will be the output? When is the output of NOR gate 1? The output is 1 when all the inputs are 0. Otherwise the output is 0. So that means if all the inputs are low, then the output is high. Otherwise the output is 0. So the NOR gate has two or more inputs and there can be two or more inputs and only one output. If all the inputs are 0, ella input 0 idre matra output will be 1. Otherwise it is 0. So let's have a look on the logic symbol and the truth table of the NOR gate. So let us see the complement of OR gate. As you can see, x plus y is OR gate and you can see the complement. So the output of OR gate is 0, 1, 1 and 1. The complement of that is 1, 0, 0, 0. So similarly, the output of OR gate, 3 input OR gate is again all zeros either we can put 0 and then rest of the cases it is 1, 1. Complement of that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the output of NOR gate. So you can observe here all the inputs are 0, the output is 1. If any one of the input is 1, the output is 0 or in a opposite. Here also you can see all the inputs, that is x is 0, y is 0, z is 0, the output is 1. Here any one of the input is 1, the output is 0. So this is the logic symbol. As I told you, NOR is the complemented OR gate. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಫ್ ಟೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ and y, the output will be x plus y, and if this is connected to a NOR gate, the output will be x plus y, whatever we are getting, complement of that. So here also we can see two inputs ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 input ಇದೆ, 4 input ಇದೆ. So whatever may be the inputs, 2 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 4 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. So this is about the NOR gate. Let's take up the NAND gate. NAND gate. NAND is complemented AND gate. AND ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ AND ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನಾವು ನಾಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ AND is 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. ಅಂದರೆ 0 0 0 1. ಆದರೆ NAND ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 1 1 0. ಸೊ AND ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 0 0 0 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1 1 1 0. ಸೊ NAND ಗೇಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ an AND gate, that is inverted AND gate or complemented AND gate. That is AND gate, if it is followed by a NOT gate, it will give us NAND gate. NAND gate can also have same AND ತರ 2 or more inputs ಇರಬಹುದು. That gate produces 1 0, the produces 0 for all the inputs as 1. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1. AND ನ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್, AND ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ NAND ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0, ಉಲ್ಟಾ, ಅಂದರೆ AND ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ AND gate can have 2 or more input signals but only one output signal. If all the inputs are 1, then the output is 0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು XY, F is equal to XY. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 0 ಇದೆ, 0 0 0 0. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ XY, so as we know that the output of AND gate is XY. XY complement ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that will be the output of NAND gate, that is X plus Y whole bar. Next we have so we need to check the logic symbol of NAND gate. NAND gate in a logic symbol ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, so it will be like this, one bubble we have to put. So AND ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು AND ನ, so one thing is you should put AND gate, I'm not able to draw it neatly. It's the same thing and admele followed by bubble. So you just check the and symbol. And ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು bubble ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So next we have XOR gate, or we call it as exclusive OR gate. XOR gate can also have two or more inputs, but it will have only one output. So XOR gate is different from OR gate. As I told you, NOR gate somewhat very familiar with OR gate, and NAND gate is very similar to AND gate. But we have XOR. XOR ಅಂದ್ರೆ exclusive OR gate. So ಇದು exactly as it is ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ OR ಗೇಟ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ XOR gate is also having two or more inputs produces one output. ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ XOR ಗೇಟ್ ಎನಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ XOR gate is 1 when there is odd number of ones in the input. Otherwise the output is 0. The output is 0 if there are even number of ones. Even number of ones idre andre 2 4 atara idre output is 0. Odd number of ones andre 1 3, so then we have 5 atara idre input ali ones, the output is 0. And you have to observe here XOR symbol ಈ ತರ plus surrounded by a circle. A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಜೊತೆ if you are performing the XOR operation, it will be A, and then this is the symbol, XOR symbol. So let's learn this with the truth table so that you will have a better understanding. So ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ truth table. So here we are performing the XOR operation. If there are odd number of ones, so let us have a look on the truth table. So here we have odd number of ones idre, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ one ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, so we are putting 1. So here also you can find one time input ಅಲ್ಲಿ one ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, so here we can see 0 0, so there is no 1, so we are putting 0. So here we have 0 1, there is one time, so we are putting 1. Here there is one time, so we are putting 1. Here there are two ones, 1 andre 2 is a even number, so we are putting 0. So similarly we will check the odd number of ones. So odd number of ones ಇಲ್ಲಿ one ಸರಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, so we are putting 0. Odd number, see here you can see one time ಬಂದಿದೆ, so we are putting 1. One time ಬಂದಿದೆ, so output is 1. 1 has appeared two times, so we are putting 0. 1 has appeared one time, we are putting 1. So here 1 has appeared two times, so we are putting 0. 1 has appeared two times, so we are putting 0. 1 has appeared three times, 3 is the odd number, so we are putting 1. So this is how the XOR gate, andre the output of XOR gate is 1 when there are odd number of ones in the input, otherwise the output is 0. So let us have a look on the logic symbol of the XOR gate. XOR gate is very similar to the OR gate, but one R chart, one extra line will appear on the input. This is 2 input XOR gate, 3 input XOR gate, and 4 input XOR gate. So 0, you can see the symbol, 0 plus 0 is 0, but here it is XOR. 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. So let's discuss the last gate, that is XNOR gate. XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate. Previous was exclusive OR gate. Now it is exclusive NOR gate. So here it is somewhat similar to XOR gate, where we will check the odd number of ones. Here we will be checking the even number of ones. So even number of ones in the input will produce a output 1. Odd number of ones will produce a 0. Here you can see there are no ones. That means 0. 0 is a even number, so we put 1. So here there is 1 input ಅಲ್ಲಿ one time appear ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 is a odd number, so we are putting 0. So here we have 1 0, 1 is a odd number, we are putting 0. Here we have two ones, 1 1 ಅಂದರೆ 2 times ಬಂದಿದೆ, 2 times appear ಆಗಿದೆ. 2 is a even number, so we are putting 1. So let's have a look at the 3 input truth table for XNOR gate. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 0 0 0. That means there is only one time of there is only one there is no appearance of 0. There is no appearance of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 times 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 0 is a even number, so we are putting 1. So ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 how many times? It is 1 time. So 1 time ಇದ್ರೆ the output is 0. Again here there is 1 appearing 1 time, so the output is 0. Here 1 is appearing 2 times. 2 is a even number, so we are putting 1. So here 1 is appearing 1 time, so we are putting 1 0. Here 1 has appeared 2 times, so we are putting 1. 1 has appeared 2 times. 2 is a even number, so we are putting 1. 1 has appeared 3 times. 3 times andre it's a odd number, so we are putting 0. So here the symbols, as we know that dot represents the AND operation. So similarly plus represents the OR operation. So whereas plus with this surrounded by one circle represents OR. So similarly XNOR is represented with a dot surrounded by a circle. So as you can see, this symbol represents the XNOR operation. So as you can see here, this is the logic symbol of XOR gate. XNOR gate is represented with the same followed by one bubble ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. So if you put this, okay, so this will be the XNOR gate. Suppose if there are two inputs X and Y, so the output will be X. Exclusive NOR will be one dot and it is surrounded by the circle. So this is the logic symbol for XNOR gate, and this is how where it almost similar to OR gate. ಬಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ XOR ಗೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ XNOR ಗೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ XOR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. XNOR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise the output is 0. So this is about the derived gates. Hope you have understood today's session. In today's session, we discussed the detailing of uh, ex- detailing of the derived gates. Derived gates ಅಲ್ಲಿ as we know there are four derived gates: and, or, not. Sorry, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR. And or not is basic gates. Derived gates we have four: NAND, NOR, XOR, and XNOR. So we discussed the details of all the four along with the truth tables and the logic diagram. Hope you have understood this chapter. This topic, chapter, still more topics to come. Hope you have understood the topics what has been discussed in today's class. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead.